Hello my friends on YouTube, and today I'm going to be unboxing two new Thomas & Friends All Engines Go toys that I just got from Walmart recently. To start off, I got the Push Along Color Changer 3-pack. Now I actually got two of these. One I'm going to be unboxing in this video, and the other I'm going to keep intact, because who knows how long these might last. Got a little something just in case it goes wrong. Or you can just do it like this too. Mm. Mm. There we go. Mm. Yeah. There we go. I'm sorry. There we go. And there we go. Here's the box. Gonna go over there. Here's Color Changer Thomas, Color Changer Percy, and Color Changer Kana. Is it just me, or are Thomas and Kana a little more, a bit red than usual? um, just kidding. This is how they look. So first I'm gonna start with the number one engine himself, Thomas. Snow. There must be a winter wonderland. Love the wheels, love these transparent buffer beams and buffers, both on the front and back. The face is red. and it just said Thomas. Next up, color changer Percy. Yeah, here's his face is green. Also has these transparent buffer beams and buffers. The wheels, the skunk, and there's another skunk. And lastly, Kana. In the wheels, the detailing on both sides, the face. Now, in case you're wondering, how do these color changer engines work? Well, let me get these guys out of the way. Well, according to the back of the box, the color changes in warm or cold water. And here are the pictures demonstrating. So, in warm water, Thomas goes from blue to white, but in cold water, he goes from white to blue. Oh yeah, and their faces will turn back will turn to their normal gray color. Gray. Again, here are the pictures demonstrating. And a little bit of warning: do not use hot water. Just to be safe, use either cold or warm water. I'm not gonna be demonstrating it on video, but I'll demonstrate it another time. And that'll do it for these color changing engines. Next up, and finally, I got one of the new sets that just recently came to Walmart. That being the Crystal Caves Adventure set, which is based on the movie The Mystery of Lookout Mountain. On the way to Lookout Mountain, look out! There's a tipping bridge. Luckily, kids can always switch the track to send Thomas down through the Crystal Caves instead. Recreate all the adventurous fun of the episode The Mystery of Lookout Mountain. I noticed this when I bought it. It referred to the Mystery of Lookout Mountain as an episode when it's technically a special or or a movie or whatever. Specials usually go for way longer than an average episode. But yeah, it comes with what you see here. Let's see, it comes with a gray switch. Well, let's just say it comes with a total of 19 pieces. And now the I'll just use the scissors for this. There we go. Easier. easier that way. Oh, and there's a little fun read. I'm headed through the crystal caves on my way to Lookout Mountain. It'll be a great adventure. Come with me. When I dream of it, I'll just get out the items one by one instead of dumping them. First up, we got some of the pieces for the tipping bridge, some track, some buffers, one of these rails, a blue switch to go under the tipping bridge, one of these level risers, this piece for the tipping bridge, one of these things to hold the bridge in place, another one of these, some track risers, a gray switch, decals or sticker details and instructions, more of the pieces, and that's all. And that's it. And that's everything in the box. But lastly, we got Thomas. I gotta get this Thomas out. Ooh. Ooh. Thomas and a flatbed and a red flatbed with a crystal ball. The box. First up is the Crystal Caves Thomas. Not the greatest moment pack that I just showed you a few weeks ago. This version. We got crystals and soil. Here's Thomas exclusive face. A flag. More crystals. Again, it has these long back couplings, which I always try to replace them with shorter ones, again to make them accurate. Maybe I should do a tutorial on that. And a red flatbed with a crystal ball. crystal ball is removable. Looks so sparkly. Again, it is a crystal ball. Now to get two AAA batteries, so I can put them in this bad boy. Be right back. Got a pack of 40 AAA batteries for my old and new engines. Open. I need two. There we go. It's alive! It's alive! It's alive! Oh, but seriously, he runs. And a smooth runner he is. The reason why I replaced these long couplings with shorter ones is because this just doesn't feel right. I'll be planning on making a tutorial video to show you how to do it. Perhaps I can find a good use for these long couplings, back couplings in fact. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this video. Yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and as always, bye for now.